Hello, you are welcome once again to new focused approach to mathematics basic 9. This is revised edition. And in this lesson, we are looking at solving real life problems involving algebraic expression. Now, in our previous lessons, we were looking at change of subject and how to make substitution. Then we also looked at factorizing algebraic expression, adding and subtracting of algebraic expression. Now, what we want to do is to see how we can apply this concept in real life experiences. Let's have this question here. The temperature in degrees Celsius is equivalent to a temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. That is given by the relation C, which is the degree Celsius, is equal to 5/9 Fahrenheit minus 160/9. What it means is that if you want to convert between the degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit, then you can use the relation to do that. Now, the first question says we should find the temperature equivalent to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So we know our C to be equal to 5 divided by 9 into bracket Fahrenheit. Now the Fahrenheit has been given as 20 minus 160 divided by 9. So ours is to do this simple calculation, and that will give us the result for that. Now our C now can be calculated as, okay, 5 times 20 will give us 100/9 minus 160 also over 9. Since the denominator of the same value, we can just subtract the numerators, and then we can have negative 60/9. Now negative 60/9 can be the final answer, or we can convert it to decimal as C being equal to negative 6.67 degrees. So that is the answer. That means in 20 degrees Fahrenheit, the temperature in degrees Celsius will be negative 6.67. Now, the question again wants us to find the equivalent of 40 degrees Celsius in degree Fahrenheit. So knowing our formula to be, or the relation to be 5/9 minus 160/9, this time around the degree Celsius has been given as 40, okay, and we have to make Fahrenheit rather the subject. So how do we do that? We can do simple arithmetic here, or maybe equation. We are trying to make F the subject as we've done already. So I can choose to multiply through by the LCM, which will be 9. Multiply everything by 9 will give us this will give us 360 here is equals to 5F minus 160. So we make F the subject, okay. So maybe I group like terms, and I can have 360 here plus 160 is equals to 5F. Okay, so let me continue here. Now when I add 360 to 160, we have 520, right? Will be equal to 5F. Now dividing both sides by 5, my F will be equal to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, or just because we are saying F is equal to that. Okay, so that means if we have 40 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's take another example and see. Here we have the number N of incidents of family violence requiring police response is related to PCDs. Okay, the number of incidents of a family that will require the police to come in is the PCDs. That means the number is equivalent to the amount you pay, okay, and then the money spent on maintaining peace by the equation or the relation given as this. Want to find how much the police will spend in order to reduce the number of incidents to 320. Okay, so what it means is that we have our 320 here being the number is equal to 430 minus 5 over 100 p. Okay, so that becomes the relation. So let's see how much the police will spend in order to reduce the incident rate to the 320. Making P the subject, let's multiply through by the LCM. So then we are going to have 320 then 00 is equals to 430 then 00 again, everything by 100, then minus 5p. So it means we multiply everything by 100, here by 100, here by 100, and here also by 100. So this will cancel this will multiply this to give us this, and this will multiply to give us that. Trying to make p the subject, I could move this p here to become positive, and then have my 43000 minus 32000. Now when we do simple subtraction here, we have our 5p should be equal to 43,000 minus 62,000 will give us 11,000, right? So we want to now divide both sides by 5. Okay, we both sides by 5, and we have 5p over 5 is equals to 11,000 divided by 5. So p now becomes 2200. That is 2,200 cedis, which means that the police will spend 2,200 cedis to reduce the number of incidents to 320. Well, I'm sure this has really helped you to see how we can apply the concept of algebraic expression in real life experiences, and how we can also make substitution of numbers into variables. Go ahead and solve more questions. Thanks so much for watching.